Okay, in this video we're going to go over how to get the page size the way we want it in Finale. So what we're going to do is we're going to you're going to make sure you go to this little icon over here, page layout tool. Click that till it highlights blue and the menu comes up, and you're going to go down here to go page layout, page size. Alright, so page size, that's the one we went last time to get our paper the right size, the actual paper that you'll be printing the piece on. But just below that there will be page resize page or page reduction. You're going to click that, and if we wanted to make the page a little bigger, the overall print on the page, we can go 130 and check the whole margins box, and we can go like this, and it would give us this finished document that we could actually see. Now, this is not the only way to do this. If you wanted to reduce the page size, you can actually go back to page layout tool, back up to the resize page, and in the resize page toolbox or percentage box, put in 90, for example. That will bring the piece down to 90%. That means the page itself along with the systems will be down to 90% viewing capacity. In the next video we'll be going over actually how to resize the actual systems. So stay tuned for that, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment me in the comments below. Thanks.